Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Podio. Is it a CRM system? I've been getting a lot of questions about Podio lately, and I wanted to take some time to explain what it is and how it can be used. So, let's get started. What is Podio? Podio is a cloud-based work management platform. It can be used for a variety of purposes, including project management, customer relationship management, CRM, and knowledge management. Podio is a very flexible platform, and you can use it to customize it to your specific needs. How can Podio be used as a CRM system? Podio can be used as a CRM system in a number of ways. Here are a few examples. You can use Podio to track your leads and customers. You can use Podio to manage your sales pipeline. You can use Podio to track your customer service interactions. You can use Podio to generate reports on your sales and customer data. What are the benefits of using Podio as a CRM system? There are a number of benefits to using Podio as a CRM system. Here are a few. Podio is a very flexible platform, so you can customize it to your specific needs. Podio is cloud-based, so you can access it from anywhere in the world. Podio is affordable even for small businesses. Podio has a number of integrations with other popular software applications, such as Google Drive, Salesforce, and Zendesk. What are the drawbacks of using Podio as a CRM system? There are also a few drawbacks to using Podio as a CRM system. Here are a few. Podio can be complex to set up and configure. Podio does not have as many features as some other CRM systems. Podio can be expensive for large businesses. Is Podio a good CRM system for you? Whether or not Podio is a good CRM system for you will depend on your specific needs. If you are looking for a flexible and affordable CRM system, then Podio may be a good option for you. However, if you need a more complex CRM system with more features, then Podio may not be the best option for you. So, is Podio a CRM system? Yes, it can be used as a CRM system, but it is also a flexible platform that can be used for other purposes as well. If you are considering using Podio as a CRM system, I recommend that you take some time to research the platform and see if it is a good fit for your needs. Thanks for watching.